Evening, Bay Area. My theory that I first sent to NASA, it was wrong about the water source that we can have here. Say, for instance, we have a nuclear war, all the water is contaminated, or we get hit by a gravitational shock wave or something from space and it tears up the atmosphere, contaminating all the water. Um, Being that a freezer, can create a very cold climate, and then if they blow hot air in there somewhere to create, it will create moisture. That may be the theory on how you create water is you have oxygen, and possibly hydrogen or just oxygen present, and you create a cold environment, and then when you add heat, once it reaches a certain temperature, it becomes moisture or humidity or whatever, and those are the things that you need to create water. If they can design some freezer, to or some that type of technology to create water rapidly, to do that rapidly, to keep creating moisture until it creates like 2, 3, 4 gallons of water, they possibly, can have a water source. Then just, because they have all kind of stuff to filter water now, some filtration system to filter the water, to get all the contaminants and stuff out of it and stuff like that. And, well, with that one, because I also sent them some theories about how to create water in space, whole lot different, had to do research for that one. And I actually sent them the theory of what I was talking about, the refrigerator, about 2, 3 months ago or something like that. But that was for a water source for here if, all the water, what I'm saying, is contaminated. Like, but I'm pretty sure, I don't know if they know how to get radiation out of the water, or it might be a certain level, but if it's too much, then, be a good idea to have one of those, refrigeration water machines, or freezer water machines. That one, I probably shouldn't have sent it to NASA because they about space or whatever. So it probably should go to somewhere like the government, somewhere like Department of Defense or something, so they would start creating those and stuff like that, because we got a lot of stuff out in space we need to worry about. We need to figure out how to live out there, man. I mean, we may got 4, 5, 6, 7 billion years or whatever like that, but hey, in between there, it could be some shit where it can be devastation for our people, human beings. So, we better get to it to try to figure out how to help these cats. All right, Bay Area cat out. Y'all have a good one. Remember, I'm a Bay Area cat.